Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. So today will be our first class. Okay, we'll start with our topic 1, information systems in global business today. Okay, so these are the lesson objective for the topic 1. So the first one, okay, will be how information systems transforming business and why are they so essential for running and managing a business today. Okay, the second one is what is an information system, how does it work, and what is management, organization, and technology components, and why are complementary assets essential for ensuring that information system provide genuine value for organizations. Okay, the third lesson objective will be what academic disciplines are used to study information systems and how does each contribute to an understanding of information system, and the last one, how will management information system help my career? Okay, next, we look into how information system transforming the business. Okay, so by June 2018, okay, more than 160 million businesses worldwide has .com internet sites registered. And of course, whatever happened during the pandemic session, okay, so many businesses turn into the internet site. They have their own apps. They subscribe the application that available by using the mobile or in the internet sites. So they're registered for it. Okay, so this is how the business try to adapt the information system into the organization. And also in 2018, 1.8 billion internet users purchased online, generating 2.9 billion USD. So purchase online meaning that you have your online shopping, whatever you shop by using Shopee, Lazada, Zara, and then you are using the whatever hotel booking. So this is what we call as a purchase online. Okay, purchase online meaning that you have the you will have the money transferring by using the internet site. Okay, number 3, the Facebook attracted more than 2 billion monthly visitors worldwide. Okay, so monthly, okay, around 2 billion. Okay, around 2 billion people love to use Facebook as their conversation, has their as their social media. All right. Okay, number 4, social networking tools being used by businesses to connect the employees, customers, and managers. They start use the social networking tools as the medium. Okay. Number 5, okay, internet advertising continues to grow at more than 20% per year because the businesses love to use internet as their advertised platform. Okay, and the next one, we have new laws require businesses to store more data for longer periods because everything you put aside in their database, system, so they must have the regulation, okay, to make sure that they should follow the do's and don'ts. Okay, and the changes in business result in changes in jobs and career. Of course, will happen when you change the business result, you will change the job and career. So if you can see from this graph, this is around 1999 to 2017. Okay, these are the total investment. This is the IT investment. So there has an up and down, but you can see here where you when you have the IT investment, so your total investment also change. Okay, I will change the figure of the investment. Okay, the next one. Okay, so what's new in MIS? Okay, the first one will be the options. Okay, in IT innovations, we have such as cloud computing, big data, Internet of Things, mobile digital platform, AI, and machine learning. Okay, cloud computing such as like the Google Drive, the SkyDrive, okay, the iCloud. Okay, that's an example for cloud computing. And then big data, everybody is talking about big data because we are dealing with large data in a second. Internet of Things meaning that everything we conduct or we run the applications by using internet. For example, if you take out something from we have the like a smart car, a smart home appliances, okay, electrical appliances. So we use like by using the voice recognition, by the whatever command. Okay, so this is what we call as Internet of Things. And then mobile digital platform, because you browse anything you can using a mobile. Okay, and AI and machine learning, of course, it is something related with the robotics. Okay, the next one will be the new business model. Okay, in a new business model, we have online streaming music and video, on-demand e-commerce services. Like, for example, like we have the like video on demand, right? So this is some of the new business model that we can apply, okay, in the MRS. And then e-commerce expansion, okay, expand to nearly 1 trillion USD in 2018. Now in 2022, so the amount will be higher than this. Okay, and then Netflix has more subscribers. Of course, when the pandemic happened, the subscriber become increased. Okay, and then online services, online mobile advertising. And then for management changes, they love to use social networks, collaboration tools, okay, virtual meeting proliferate, business intelligence applications and accelerate. We will look a detail about this point, okay, later in other chapter. And firm and organization change. Okay, more collaborative. They try to understand the importance of IT, greater emphasis on competencies and skills, more accurate decision making, and interact with consumer by using the social media.